Look at this beauty. We're almost done. Get the floor done. Rip up all that. Start putting this baby back together. There it is. Got an LED mirror there. 36-inch vanity. Got our wainscoting tiled all the way around with mosaic strip. And there it is. Our beautiful bathroom. Walking in here, we have our double niche. Never done those before, so that's a unique one. We have our half moon seat. So we have a radius, inside radius, 2 outside radiuses. All Delta fixtures, oil bronze. Another corner shelf, same stone as the vanity top and as the transitions and all that. Bang. Here we go. The bathroom there, our pooper, everything is in here. Really unique, a lot of different details that went into it. Those covers are on a back order. They're gonna do oil bronze covers. New fan, the whole thing. So there you go. There you have it.